Hey, because it's me, it's Ampy. Actually, I'm now on my Netherland
Hey
account.
guys, it's Grace DIY.
And I'm here with my sister.
Hi guys.
Okay, Grace. And I got a big mailTime because of Noobs is here.
Yeah.
So let's
just start with the video.
Well, I got this Netherlands account before, and this is my sister's account.
Mine was in 2016.
And this my, this is my sister's account.
Yeah.
BB.
Yeah.
Okay,
well, let's open the presents. I'm so happy. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. I don't know really what it is. Okay, thank you. Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
I loved it. My first.
I just look like a miss.
Yeah, I'm like the, I like this one, but it's not that like.
Okay, so this is cool. Beautiful.
Beautiful, perfect for me.
Thank you. Wait. No.
Oh my god, I love it.
2007, Burning Gray Shot 2007.
Yeah.
2007.
Yeah.
Serious?
Yeah, that's like not a name.
Okay, thank you.
I love this. I'm gonna wear it right now. I really love that hair. I really love it.
Okay.
Thank you so much for that hair. It was just.
What kind of Oh, I love this so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh my god, I love these shoes.
It's too big and fat. Yes.
I'm just gonna wear everything on the camera instead of like just taking it away.
Okay, well, I like it. Thank you.
This is nice, but I'm not gonna wear it because I'm not gonna like do that. These people have been giving us so much gifts. I don't know why. But first of all, it's really funny. I love it.
I like this.
I love it. I love this here. Wow. I'm going to wear it right now. Okay. I love you. I love this.
Is that yours?
This is the new girl, Shamiana.
Okay. Shamiana was also giving me something.
Yeah.
Well, I'm recording X-axis. Okay. Let's go. Okay, thank you. I like it. Animal. Oh, it is. Oh, I like this so much. But okay, thank you.
This is nice.
Oh my God!
What's wrong?
What is this?
I don't know.
I'm not a little kid.
I'm gonna give my little sister some of my mailTime gifts. Because some of it I don't need.
Wow, thank you.
This is
so much. Okay, guys, I also get a mailTime on my other account.
Yeah. So
that I made. Just also, I think I got also mailTime. Let me look on my biggest sister, not Grace, but my other sister. Yeah. She's 21 accounts. Yeah. Let me look. I'm gonna go on her accounts.
Yeah. I'm gonna be back.
Okay, guys, here I am. On my sister account. Not Grace, actually. She's just my, Okay. No, wow. I got a mailTime here too. She gives also to my sister too. Okay. Just 3? Okay, just like that. Thank you. Okay. This is in Netherlands and some things I never didn't understand. But yeah. I'm just okay, thank you. Oh wow, she's beautiful. Okay. Now I'm gonna go on my little sister's account. Okay guys, this is my little sister account. She's level 12. And my sister level 9. She also got a mailTime, I think. So yeah, she got. Okay. Oh, so slow. Okay, my God. I hate slow things.
I also think that my sister got mailTime on her account. She's pretty sure she doesn't know anything.
Oh my God.
Oh, she's almost level
30.
Yeah. That's really cool. She's level 4, so
accessories.
Huh.
Okay, just
Yeah.
4. Because she looks so stupid.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. I like this.
Yeah,
my little sister will be happy. She's just, she will be very, very happy with this because she likes it. Oh, this one.
This laptop is so slow. It's like, let me go. It's like so slowly, but if it just doesn't have so much lag, it will go quick.
She did not like this.
She only gave 1? 1? Are you serious? 1? No. You cannot be doing for real? You gonna give me a dress? Okay, I'm gonna wear it. Thank you.
That's not good. Okay,
it's kind of.
Let
cute.
me go on.
I'm gonna go back to my
all the little sisters' accounts.
Yeah, she has. We have, and they can
okay, guys.
Quick.
This is my other little sister account. On Netherland. She's level 7, and she has 604 stuff.
Yeah.
But I will buy for her.
I'm gonna change my look on
okay, she got a milk too. But not too much, I think so.
Let me change my look because I want to change it now.
What the? Only 1? Why? Okay, thank you though.
Though I'm not gonna change my look. I love it as a look. I'm gonna stay like this. I love it like this.
Okay, I'm gonna change your clothes actually.
Actually, I don't want to change my clothes. I'm just going to go into a look because I'm not just going to be there. Which one should I choose? Which one should I choose? I'm not going to be like that.
Okay. She has no best friend. I'm going to change my look right now on my account.
I'm just going to, I'm so lazy. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go on looks and then just put on a look. I'm not going to
She's going to this new
I'm looking for something.
Cool, yeah. No. Thank you. I just put it. Okay. No. She doesn't have to wear shoes and.
I am kind of looking for something cute that I already have in clothing.
Okay. No. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna put this on you. Okay. I'm gonna put this on. I like it anymore. I want it. Okay, thank you. Chloe, stop shouting. That was a level 12. Okay, thank you. No, thank you. Oh, right. Too old. No. Okay. I'm gonna put this one.
I'm not gonna do anything because my lag is so hard. Come on.
I'm gonna go my own account right now.
I
have also another account that was VIP. Oh, wait. Let me take some that right now. Okay. This one. Okay, guys. Okay? You can see this, right? Okay, I'm gonna go on my own level 16 account. Okay, guys. I'm here on my.
I hate that woman.
Account's back.
I hate her.
I have to change myself. It's not good. Everything on you. And this just looks like I'm 3 years fucking old baby girl. But I am not.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm not for that. Well, thanks for the gift. And I like the gift. And
okay, guys,
just let me dress up.
I'm not gonna want to put this on. I'm gonna want to do.
I am not a woman. Okay. Oh, no.
I like this.
I like this one, and I like my own shirt. Okay, thank you. No. Thank you for taking my own. Okay, thank you, Benny Gracia.
Yeah, thank you, Ben Gracia, for giving us a lot of gifts We're so happy that you gave us gifts and you took a lot of your time to give us gifts. So my winner of my mail time is Gracia. But you're not gonna get anything. I don't know. I'm not gonna give you anything.
You're not lovely to her. No, you're not.
I'm not gonna give her anything. What did she give me? She gave me all the noobs clothing. So thank you, Gracia, for giving me stuff. And please follow my
nothing. Follow my nothing.
Yeah. Follow my nothing.
Finish. Okay. Thanks, bitches, for watching this video.
Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. And bye, bitches.
Hey guys, it's Chris.
Let's go with comment that she's here.
Yeah, here's my account. Wait. I got a mailTime here too.
Right? Yeah, I got a
mailTime here too. Only 3!
This girl doesn't give gift, but on our higher account she gives so much things.
Oh,
that's so cute.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gracia. We love you. And here's the way.
Oh, hell no. Thank you so much. I love you.
We love you. You're the best.
The best.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna give this to my little sister. She made it, and not me. Okay, bye guys. I need to bitches.